Alright, today we're going to do some new spark plugs. Got these. They run one temp cooler, whatever that is, one cycle cooler. I'm not sure exactly. But yeah, gotta take this off, pull off these side plastics and get to it. But I've never changed the plugs. Also noticed I think I might have an oil leak back here. It is smoking a bit. It could be one of the cam seals, perhaps. But I don't know. A little bit of smoke coming out of there. So let's see what's going on. Apartment living. Well, just changed the spark plugs. This one's the most difficult, and that one is tough to get to as well. You can go in from this side and get to that screw right there, but pretty difficult. Just push this tank out of the way. Yeah, so I got them all back in. Hopefully they're good. All the engine covers are off. That's each one of the spark plugs in order. You're looking top down. They all look pretty uniform, so I don't know, maybe some experts can tell me. That one looks like it's got a little more. Don't forget to clean your covers while you got them off, because these ones are harder to get to. So give them a quick detail and we'll throw them back on. Alright, so I actually have my RS4 grill. Should ship like mid-February or whatever from ECS Tuning. Those are on backlog, but this thing is like, you know, well, this is a new badge, so that looks great, but the rest of it, it just looks so dull. And I've used 303 aerospace on it before, but I think I just need a little deeper. I found this in my old detail kit. We're gonna give it a whirl. Just use a brush, kind of just go through the whole thing and see if we can just like restore it, make it look a little bit nicer for the time being, while waiting for the actual genuine B5 RS4 grill to show up. So, here's the engine all put back together. Looks pretty good. I put up a shop light over here in the parking garage. That's how I get my stuff done. You know, have a beverage, hang out, do car stuff. So, yeah. All right, let's see how this goes though. Quick little halfway update. I don't know if you can tell or if it'll pick it up on here, but it's like, it's much cleaner. Let's see. I mean, might not look that good right here, but it's much better than this side. It's all dirty. Let's try some natural light. So I did this left side, and that's the right side. Is that coming across? Probably not. I think it's one of those little differences that you look at and you're like, oh, it actually adds up. So not done. Done. Well, whatever. Makes me happy. Alright. There it is, all done. Didn't take very long. Maybe 10-15 minutes or something. But the plastic looks a lot better. It's also good just having like a good UV protection on there, even though it's winter. It needed it. You might not be able to tell immediately. I'd probably have to put it like side by side. And I'm sure the lighting's not the same, but the plastic looks a lot healthier. I don't know, time to put it back. Again, guess I couldn't just wait for the RS4 grill. Gotta do this now. So I was just playing around and then remembered I got all this random crap, but I have like fake carbon fiber wrap, so I just threw it on there to see like what it would look like and if I would like it on the car, and I don't. This is the first time I've ever wrapped anything either besides fog lights, so yeah, first attempt. You know, typically never goes that good. Some smudges and stuff there if I wanted to redo it, but I don't think I like it. I don't know. I think you need silver mirrors for an S4, but I don't know. It's a little too much shimmer to it as well. Obviously that light's on, but yeah, I don't know. It doesn't. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna take it off. I thought it looked kind of good from just like that angle, but